Oops. All right, Ellie's going to see her new kitchen. Yeah. Kitchen, that's right. Now show her what she's got there. The knobs.
No, that's my own knobs.
Show her why don't you show her the chocolate chip cookies that you made?
Look at my cookies. Look at my cookies. They're all in the bowl.
Yeah, you're going to wash your hands? Thank you, sweetie. Here, go ahead, give one to Ellie.
No, that's mine. We need to cook these. Who's coming over?
Well, soon Brandy's going to come over. What do you have there, Ellie?
That girl.
A bowl, that's right.
What are you going to put on?
Well, I'm not putting on anything. I'm videotaping Ellie checking out the new kitchen.